Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to be shooting, this is first shots from Concealment. We're going to be doing a warm-up drill, and then I'm going to do the Baer Solutions, Baer Standards drill to compare to last time. Yeah, and if any of these are misses, it's okay, because this is the first shots of the day, but we're going for, yeah, obviously 100%. That's what we want. Do a couple dry fire. Okay, we'll do this as best as we can. All right. And I'm gonna do, we'll do 4 shots just like last time. All right, let's do this. All right. First, so all in. First shot, 184. So that was the first handgun drill of the day. 184, 317 total. Second, geez. All right. 317. Okay, I'm gonna go write that down. Okay, so I actually did that backwards. That one was supposed to be hands up and ready, so we'll go ahead and do that and just note that. Hands up and ready. Okay, I didn't see my dot immediately. 207 first shot, 335 total. Let's go write that down. Okay, now hands in pocket. Okay. All right. So first shot, 177, 287 total. So I was able to pick up the speed a little bit on the cadence. So 287. All right, next one. Okay, all right. Next one is arms folded. All in, I believe. So 171 first shot, 277 total. So 277. So the reason I'm doing this is because obviously we want to be consistent in training. That's what I'm trying to do. That's what I'm working on. And also to compare it to last time, because I haven't been to the range in like 2 or 3 weeks. So, or no, like I went almost a month ago. Wow. Okay, yeah. So that's what we're doing. So seeing how the dry fire has worked out. 277. Hands on head facing target. And we're at about 5 yards. So this, I think, is either same or a little bit greater distance than the last time. I think it's the same distance. I missed with one. Damn it. I'm excited to see what the reload was because I forgot about that. Okay. Oh, I missed one shot. I think that was off the reload. So 168 first shot, 617 total. Okay. 168. Oh, okay, and then 366 reload. Okay, well that's fourth on the fourth shot. 617 total. First shot. I think that was slower than the other time. 617. Write that down. All right, next. The next one is things in hand. All right. That felt pretty good. So 286, 178 first shot. 178. Okay, let's go ahead and show that because it doesn't quite. So 286 total. So what was the total? 286. All right. Next is strong hand only. Okay. All right. Let's see what our... So 453 total. 265 first shot. I think that's faster first shot than was last time. I missed one of the shots also, so. All right. Now, we're going to do the Baer Solutions drill. Okay. So we're going to be shooting it at 4 yards. It's funny, I have a monitor over here. So if you see me looking over here, that's what I'm looking at, the monitor. I got like a 5.7-inch monitor so that I can see. Because one of the videos that I did last time was, yeah, it was like 10-minute video and it was all out of focus. Okay, our reload mag, it's got 3. This one has 9, plus we got already 1 in the chamber, so. All right, so the goal on this, again, is, so the goal is under 9 seconds, 5 shots into each one, and then slide lock reload, 3 shots in the small circle. Let's do this. Damn. Shit. Fail. The mag flew out when I went to... I'm just going to practice it. Okay. Okay, that was 8 seconds. So that was the second try without the mags failing. Okay, first shot 173. 4-2 split, 3-1 split, 2-9 split, 2-7 split, 2-9, 3, 2-5. Wait, where was the reload? 2-6. So 2-6-4 reload. 5-1, 5-1. Was there 13 shots? Okay, finally. All right. Oh no. Next drill, we have 2 circles, small circle and a big circle. We're gonna do 2 shots on each. Yeah, and I'm just gonna write down the times, and we're gonna do it 5 times in a row. So let's do this. I gotta move the target back a little bit more though. So we push the target back to 5 yards. Whew. Okay, let's do this. We're gonna do it 5 times in a row, and just mark down the times. Okay, times was garbage, but 100%. Okay, 5.5. First shot, 2-0, or 206. Okay, 5.5. Let's beat that. That was really slow. Accuracy was good. All right, started with the small circle, then we went big circle. Okay, 3.52. That was way better. That was 2 seconds faster. And then first shot, 1.85. Okay, and then split, 0.65 second shot, small circle, then 0.61, so transition to the big circle, and then 0.41 on the second shot, big circle. Okay, so, oh, I didn't write it down. Okay, 5.5 first one. And then that run was 3.52. Again, we're at 5 yards. No, I missed. I pulled it up. So 3.5 total. First shot, 178. Okay, 3.50. That was a fail. But close time. Oh, double. Holy hell. And epic. It tried to double feed there and it jammed on this mag pull mag. So 2 misses so far. My God. Okay, and that time was 15:31. Oh my God, it took me 12 seconds to 15:30 with Jesus Christ. 15:31. .382, first shot, 211. 382. Okay, we're gonna redeem that terrible shot. So let's do this again. God damn it. All right, 775. So again, we 775 total. 4-second reload. Oh wait, what was the time? I didn't write it down. What was the time? 775. 775. Okay. All right. 349. 170. 349. Actually, you know what? Just for myself, I'm going to do this 10 times in a row. Yep. I hope I showed it already. 349. I think one broke the line, upper right. Time, 346. 176 first shot. All right. Okay. 338 for total. 165 first shot. There was a bullet still in there. Anyways, see what our reload was. So first shot, 182. Total, 612. Reload was 3 seconds. So definitely need to work on my pistol reloads. Okay, so far I think that's pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and switch to... Okay, I think we're going to switch to rifle. So we did 10 in a row, pretty consistent. 2 were absolute fails. And until next time. I'm pretty pleased with how my performance was. So, yeah. 346. Or 3.5, I think, is my average. I'll go ahead and average it as well. And we'll put that up there. So you should try this. See if you can get 3.5 or better. Because I'm still getting better. First one was, I think, pretty decent. And until next time.